so tired. It's like 5, it's like 5:46, something like that. And Destiny has to be at school at 6:30. And we don't have a car. Well, I don't have a car, so what did I do? I called an Uber. Yay! Uber is supposed to be here at 6, between 6 and 6:15. You know, I don't know where we're going till early, but just in case, because she's supposed to be at school at 6:30. I don't want her to miss the bus. Then my husband Marcelo is going to pick her up. Her father is going to pick her up at 4. Now I have to wake up Miss Madison and get her dressed. I have to make Destiny lunch, get her and make her lunch, and I don't function real. Tell me, guys, tell me why my alarm went off, and I'm like slapping the snooze buzz, like no, I didn't call for you, no. So slapping it, it went off. 10 seconds later, my husband called me. I jumped up out of my sleep because he usually don't call me that early. And I was like, what's wrong? And I was like, you scared me. I thought something was wrong. He was like, you need to get up. I was like, why are you yelling? I was like, Destiny's field trip is today. You need to get up. And I'm like seriously, who does that? Like, he's the type of person that he stays on top of everything. Like, I forgot about Destiny's field trip. For some reason I thought, you know, maybe Destiny was gonna wake up and then remind me and all that, and we're gonna go from there. That didn't happen, because I wasn't waking up until 5 o'clock. And I was like, honey, why did you set it so early? He was like, well, first of all, you need to get up, Destiny needs to get dressed, you need to fix her lunch and all that, and you got to be prepared. There you go, baby. Maddie, still sleeping. I got Maddie all dressed. Good morning, Maddie. What time is it? 5:52. We got 8 minutes. At first I thought this wasn't gonna work, and then, you know, we were like, how is it gonna work? Am I gonna take Marcelo to work and then take the car? And then I was like, I don't want to wake up all the kids and then I have to drive so far and leave the oldest two so far behind. So I was like, you know what, let me just call an Uber. Right now, let me tell y'all, my anxiety and fear is at an all-time high. Like, I don't trust people, you know. But hey, you know, I'm gonna call my husband while I'm in there and stuff, because I don't know, I just feel like there's just so much bad people in the world, and it's just like, the less I have to deal with random strangers, the more better, you know what I mean? But hey, this is the sacrifice of having children. You have to sacrifice, you know what I mean? And right now I have to push all of that to the side and be like, hey, I'm adulting today, okay? I'm adulting, all right? And her field trip cost $25. $25. Good morning.
Good morning. You signed the health form today.
You signed the health form? You guys are getting ready to take that class?
It's today.
Tell me why these kids are getting ready to take, is it the sexual education? Sexual education in elementary school.
It's today.
Tell me why they're not about to be up in nobody's sexual education before I get a chance to talk to them. That's not the school job, that's my job. No way, Jose. No, they're not taking that class, and I'm gonna make sure that they don't take that class.
Okay.
Do you want to take that class?
No. Right there.
Ain't about to traumatize my Jordan. Jordan does not. I know you're Jason, but I'm saying Jordan, the first minute you start talking about anything that has to do with private area or anything, he's freaking out, okay? And I'm like, I hope you stay that way, okay? Because anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. You got everything?
Yes.
You have your lunch?
Yes.
Okay. Jackson, get your jacket on?
Yeah.
Alright, we're almost ready. Maddie, you ready to go, baby?
Do I put my backpack on?
No, you don't need your backpack.
Just going.
We're just going and then we're gonna come back before your bus is here. Good morning, Mama.
Yeah.
Good morning.
It's going to be 8:08.
This Uber thing is like really long. You wanna come on? Are you ready? Yeah. Wanna go again?
Excellent.
It says 1 minute. It should meet us in 1 minute. Yeah.
Final test.
Wanna go? Ready? Let's go. Oh, sorry. Maddie, your bucket without the base is annoying. What's the matter? What's the matter? You good? Yes.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me. Drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Left me in this mess, I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer.
Oh my gosh, people, I'm home. God is good. Lord, it's so funny. It was such a pleasant experience. Like the lady that I had first, she was like, her car smells so good, but it was so tiny. It was a Fiesta. And usually when I have Maddie's car seat in the back of my car, it's just like I'm into, like, please don't let the airbag deploy because homegirl here is just not gonna be no more. And the second guy, it was kind of good because I had a lady the first time, and then the guy, the older gentleman, I feel like we had him before. For some reason I felt like I had that Uber driver when I took Jason to his appointment. He was so sweet, and I'm like, I like this, like and they're like so fast, because as soon as I dropped Destiny off and then I hit pick up, they were like there in a minute. I'm like, what are these people doing? They're waiting around for me? Like, oh, okay. Anyways, it's 7 o'clock. No, it's 6:30. Jackson has to finish getting his breakfast. Jackson gotta get breakfast. Yeah, give her a cookie.
No,
dude.
Gigi.
Give her cookie.
Gigi.
Jackson gotta get finished. Dress. And Jordan, look at Jordan. Look at Jordan. Outside of the bathroom watching TV. You know what he said to me the other day? Oh, the TV distracts me. Turn off the TV. Turn it off. I will trash that thing. Eat your breakfast. What are you having for breakfast? An apple? Yeah, you can have it. Maddie, Maddie. Ugh. Another thing. Let me tell you guys, once I get to some light. I hate the light over here in the morning. So, tell me why my husband was like on point this morning. Everything, like when I tell you everything, down to the alarm, down to him calling me, the car seat being there, and already because the car seat was in our car, and everything was just ready for me to go, and I'm just like,
I'm going for you.
Like I can appreciate a man that, you know, I'm telling you guys, get you a man that is going to help enhance who you are. Like a man that's going to enhance who you are. Because me, I am not prepared for anything whatsoever. Him, whoo, baby, that man helps me be productive. Because if it wasn't for him, I would be a hot mess with 5 children. But then again, I wouldn't have 5 kids. So, ladies, if you're looking for a man, make sure that he compliments you. Like if you're lacking some areas in your life, make sure that he's able to step up and fill that void, or that, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but if you're looking for a man and you find a man and he doesn't fill those little gaps to make you whole and complete, that's not the one. I'm telling you, it's not the one. And a lot of people may say, it's not a man's job to come in and make your life great. It's not. But he also needs to come in and step up and hold your hand and guide you and lead you and support you. That is a man's job. That's one of the reasons why we were taken from a man's rib. I don't know where I'm going with this. This is way too deep for it's too deep in the early. Guys, tell me to shut up. I'm gonna go be productive, okay? I feel great. I look great. It's day 9. Today is day 9 on the cleanse. I gained back 2 pounds, but that's okay. We gotta keep pushing, you know what I mean? My thing is consistency. I am not a consistent person, and when I'm bad, ooh, baby girl, I am bad. Like my husband was like, he was like, you don't have an in-between. You either don't eat or you overeat. And I'm just like, honey, I don't know how to be in between, and I've never been in between of anything. So the other day I was eating and I was like, I'm just gonna have a little bit. He was like, don't do it, Janice. I was like, honey, I just want a little bit. Just give me a little bit. He was like, don't do it. And I was like, okay, whatever. Took it, pushed it in my mouth, and I was like, ooh. Well, by the end of the day, I was done with the whole bag. I finished the whole entire bag of whatever it was. Who does that? Who does that? Whoa, 5 minutes. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. And I'll see you guys in a little bit.